How to assemble your Xomi Z1. Insert the duckbill valve into the pump body. Attach the brush shield to the pump body. Insert the diaphragm into the pump body. Secure the diaphragm cap cover by twisting onto the pump body until thoroughly attached. Screw the bottle into the pump body. Connect tubes to the diaphragm cap cover. Insert the longer 26-inch tube to the bottom of the dock switch. Connect the other side of the tube to the pump motor. Make sure you attach the shorter 14-inch tubes to both sides of the dock switch.